most of the time. But the word I want you to keep in your mind is how to say what's up. We say sac passe.
Ça passe.
And to say I'm doing good, we say nap boule.
Naboule.
So if I say sac passe, you say nap boule. Sac passe?
Naboule.
Nap boule mean I'm doing good. Nap boule mean I'm on fire.
Like I'm saying,
Okay. So you see those trees, they are all mangroves. We call them mangrove. Even they don't look the same, they have the same name. The mangroves is very good for the ecosystem because the roots of the mangroves are the perfect hatching place for crab. Okay, it's very good for the system. So we don't eat the fruit comes from the mangrove because if you eat it, you bloop 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 bloop. Let's go, please. Now, bullet. Okay guys, so in Haiti we grow banana, we call banana banan, and I have a small one but it's not raining too much so it's dying now. You see a small banana plant? But we have more than 10 different types of bananas. The smaller fruit that we have, it's like this on the finger size. And we call it fig banana, but the biggest one is plantain. You know plantain? One banana plant can give us 5 years of production.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
You have the first stalk of fruit, you eat it, and you have to cut down the plant close to the ground, it will grow by itself. You do this again and again for 5 years and it's good. Okay?
Yes, okay.
And we also grow pineapple, we call it anana. There's the pineapple garden right here. The pineapple that we grow in Haiti, they come from Canary Island. They don't get too big. They grow twice a year. Okay? Every 6 months we have fruit. They don't get too big. But the fruit will come inside the leaves. Just one fruit per plant.
One fruit per plant.
Just one. Let's go, please. In Haiti, when we are sick, we use the natural. We have a lot of trees that which is good for a lot of diseases. And let me show you one of them, right here. That tree. Yeah, this one, yes. Its name is sour sap. Sour sap. We call it coral salt, but in English, sour sap. We make tea with the leaves. The leaves, you can boil like 5 leaves into a cup of green tea, and the tea that you drink is good for insomnia, diabetes, high blood pressure, prostate, and digestion. And the fruit comes from that tree to prevent people from cancer. You can see the proof on Google. Yeah, you can Google the name and you will know more about it.
Wow.
Sour sap. S-O-U-R-S-O-P. Now, if you are ready to keep going, let's go. In any countryside, people live in house like that. Most of them live in house like this. And they build them by themselves. They don't really pay for the property. They just have to, they choose the place that they want to live and they build their house.
Nice.
Yeah. So, they started like that up there. They cut down trees, take the posts, put them on different shade, and they will need little branches now to enter oven them to the post and cover it with mud. When after the mud, it will look like that. The cover is come from the Dominican Republic. When you let it like this, if it's raining, this will wash away. So what we do next, we put cement over the mud. And you paint your house different color as you need to make it look better. We keep outside restrooms in the back, and the kitchen will be like this. If we have like 5 families living in the same area, they use the same kitchen and they share the food. Yeah, they live in community. And we also live by fishing here. I will show you the lobster tree. Let's go.
Ameliata, that's her name. This beautiful woman right here, she's 71 years old.
Nice. You look
She's
great.
elegant. Look at her.
Yeah.
The surprise about her.
Those hips move.
Hey. She can still use a hip, okay?
Yes.
Take a look right here to see. Dry coffee beans with the skin. Peel. Cacao. To have the ground coffee, first thing you do, you roast. Roasted coffee beans. Wow. You pull them inside this wood matter.
Yes.
Hey. Smell.
Oh my. I bet you that keep you up all night.
Yeah.
Of course.
You don't throw it in.
That's your caffeine shot.
Mm-hmm.
I used to put my Copenhagen out for nothing.
You have to get another one.
That is good.
It's good.
Okay, let's go down to see other thing. Everybody watch your stuff, take your time.
They was moving. Oh, shoot. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Watch your step, baby.
I am. I've been finding the path to leave
Let me introduce you to Nicole.
Hello.
Nicole is the one who cook for all of us working for the culture.
Oh, nice.
Food cooking this way smell, tastes better than any other ways. Come down,
Please.
okay? The village that I'll show you, Labadee village, most of the people cook like that. In town where I live, we cook just like we roasted the coffee beans. The only problem about cooking outside, you never have enough food for yourself. When people won't smell your food, here they are. They come. Yeah, let's go down. Down the street.
Be careful, baby. It's a double step right there.
Let me introduce you to Lindy.
Hello.
Lindy is a candy vendor. This is what she does to earn a living. Right here, we have Lala cookies, different flavor. Feel free to deal with 7-Eleven. She's a good seller. You just need $1, $2 if you want to buy it. Lollipops.
Bye.
And I'll be right there waiting for you. Ready to show you how we made tapioca
You
bread.
got the money? You got the money?
Take the cup. Take the cup.
about you in Haiti today. This man right here, Mr. Toledo. If you give him a piece of food, he will turn it to anything. Ordinal is the metal man. You heard about Michelangelo, right? Today meet Michelangelo.
Michelangelo.
Got it?
The African words of spirit sounds like voodoo or voodoo, hence the name. One is not a member of the voodoo religion which has no seminaries, no orders, no centralized church, not even any orthodoxy whether one believe and practice voodoo. Voodoo is a true religion, declared James Laban, in the sense that Mohammedanists, Buddhists, Christianity are all true religions. That is to say, it is a set of beliefs and practices. Religion might be said to be a set of beliefs about spirit or God, their origin and their nature, about good and evil, and about man's relation to the universe. I don't practice voodoo, but I know that this is where our independence comes from. In the early days of Haiti's development, voodoo was the only religion here. Before the French people came with Catholic, now we are Mormon, we have Jehovah, we have 7 Days, we have Christians, we have all kinds of religion in Haiti. Guess what? They brought religion to our country to confuse us. And they did. Because they're not together as strong we are. But separate, there is not a whole lot we can do. Because now Christians don't want to hang with Catholic. 7 Days don't want to be here one more. In Haiti, we don't have only government problem. We have religion problem too. But now, especially now in those days, Haitian people need to make a smart move one more time. Hand together. Because if we don't, this beautiful paradise is gonna go deeper and deeper. Because I'm sure back home, you watch news, and if you tell someone that you're coming to Haiti, they will say, no, don't come there. They show you on TV what's going on. They don't give you the right reason that Haitian people are going nuts. Because they come in and kill our president. For a year and a few months now, we don't have a president in Haiti. Nobody says nothing. From $2.50 a gallon of gasoline come up to $20. Our kids just went back to school on January. Normally school open on September. Without education, where are we going? So that is why I want to thank each and every one of you for coming over today. Even with bad news, you are here. And I really appreciate that. Because you have no idea. By coming over, how many families you guys been feeding, how many children you're going to send to school. So thank you so much for being here today. This is the end of the walk. Down the way to the beach.
Thank you.
Let's go down. Watch your head. What you say? What you say?